Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting on Google Meet and also how to identify features found on Google Meet and how to use those features. So first of all, go to Google search. On your top right, click on this and search for the icon that is for Google Meet. This is the icon, but sometimes you don't find it here, so if that's the case, then just scroll down until you find it and then click on it. You will notice here that you can start a meeting and you can also enter the meeting code, which you would have probably received it from the person who scheduled the meeting, and then you can click here, join. But what we need in this case is we want to schedule a meeting, so I click here and type in the meeting title. And select the date. Time for the meeting. Okay, it's gonna be for an hour, and also select your time zone. Okay, Central Africa time, Windhoek, that's what I need. And I click OK. And here, if you would like to get a reminder of the meeting 10 minutes or more before your meeting starts, then you can indicate so, and then you receive an email. And if you would like to attach something, you can just click there, and if you would like to give a description of the meeting, you can also just type there where it says add description. So after you finish that, and then you click join with Google Meet. Right, here you would see that there's a microphone which you can switch it on and off, and the video as well. Let's see what is on more option here. Right, you can see you can turn on caption settings, report a problem if you have any problem with Google Meet, or you have any experience, any abuse. You can also report that to Google Meet, and they will come back to you. And if you need any help regarding maybe features on Google Meet, you can also search there and you might get assistant. Okay, let's see what is under setting. Okay, this we have audio, and then we have video. Under video you can select the standard definition that you want a higher one, or just the standard definition. Let's see what's under general. Okay, so then after you fill in all the details required, you just gonna join now. Right, you will see that there will be features here. Again, the microphone, if you wanna leave the call or leave the meeting, and then the camera, which you can turn it off and on. And here you see the number of participants, Now you can only see one person, that's me, and then here is the chat for the participants to chat while in the meeting. Yes, so that's basically it. I think I've covered the basic features of Google Meet. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.